Hello children, welcome back. Today we are going to study subject English from Honeydew book, chapter number 2, Geography lesson. It is a poem which is written by Zulfikar Ghosh. I want you also to take out your textbook and turn it to page number 34 because I am going to read the explain as well as I am going to read the poem as well as going to explain it also. So let us see. The poem is about the geographical location of a city or a country. When the poet flies in a jet plane, when he is in an aeroplane, he sees down and he notices the geographical location of the city, houses, the people, the geographical area from the aeroplane, and he notices and he conveys some important things throughout the poem in 3 different stanzas in 3 different ways. So let us see what is it. When the jet sprang into the sky, it was clear why the city had developed the way it had. When jet sprang into the sky means when the aeroplane took off into the sky, then the poet notices that the city is grown as per the necessity. जब वो aeroplane में ऊपर जाते हैं, when he looks down on the surface of the earth, he says that the city has developed according to the necessity. Seeing its scale 6 inches to the mile, there seemed an inevitability about what on ground had looked haphazard. Haphazard means without plan or order, unplanned and without style when the jet sprang into the sky. So poet यहाँ पर ये कहते हैं कि city is grown as per the necessity. जैसे जरूरत है वैसे लोग अपने अपने necessary घर है जो भी बनाते गए हैं. But it is not in proper plan or not in proper style, he says. Now in next second stanza he says, when the jet reached 10,000 feet, जब वो 10,000 फीट के ऊपर जाते हैं, it was clear why the country had cities where the rivers ran and why the valleys were populated. The logic of geography, that the land and water attracted man, was clearly delineated when the jet reached 10,000 feet. Delineated means shown, मतलब दिखाई देना. So when the poet reached with his plane at 10,000 feet, तो वहां से जब उन्होंने नीचे देखा on the surface of the earth, he noticed that mostly cities are planned near the river. River के करीब करीब ही cities या human residential areas है, nearly the cities, as well as they stay in the valley. Okay, why? Because land and water is our necessity. ठीक है, पानी भी हमारी जरूरत है. That is the reason cities are planned near the river, ताकि river का पानी जो है water easily हम वहाँ से use कर सके for our household use, for अलग different organizational or business factory use. Okay, for the different use the city is planned near the river, he says in this way. Then the third stanza, he says, when the jet rose 6 miles high, it was clear the earth was round. When his jet rose 6 miles high, और जब आगे जाते हैं वो at the height, he noticed that the earth was round. ठीक है, nearly earth के बाहर चला गया. He is in the sky, out of the sky, and that it had more sea than land. ठीक है, बोला गया है कि the sea water is more than the land. We know. In the science और in the essays आप पढ़ते होंगे. ठीक है, पानी जो है वो ज्यादा होता है. It is more than 70%, I think 73 or 78 something. Water is present on the earth. और land कितना it is very less, around 23, 25 or 28 something percentage. It is around. Okay, so उसने वो notice किया है poet ने कि water is more than land. But it was difficult to understand. यहाँ तक उन्होंने देखा कि सब नेचुरल जो भी है, okay, he thinks that कि नेचर ने जो भी प्लान किया, नेचर के बेस पे जो भी वो सब सही. He says that. But it was difficult to understand that the man of the earth found causes to hate each other to build walls across cities and to kill. From that height it was not clear. एक चीज यहाँ से उन्हें क्लियर नहीं होती कि why as a human being we created the walls means boundaries. नेचर ने तो कोई बाउंड्री नहीं बनाई कि इंडिया इतने में ही है, दूसरी कंट्री इतने में ही है. नेचर हैज नॉट क्रिएटेड, बट एज ए ह्यूमन बीइंग्स वी क्रिएट द बाउंड्रीज फॉर द कंट्रीज, फॉर द सिटीज, फॉर द स्टेट्स. ऐसा वो कहते हैं. क्यों? इट इज नॉट क्लियर कहते हैं, ये क्लियर नहीं हो रहा है. ऊपर से जब उन्होंने देखा, नेचर ने तो ये प्लान नहीं किया. सो वो यहाँ पर कहते हैं कि वी आर द ह्यूमंस, we are selfish, our nature is selfish, and for that reason हम boundaries बनाते हैं. We hate the other countries and we do the wars के बारे में उन्होंने बोला है. We kill the people, different people, लोगों को मार दिया जाता है during the wars. So and finally ऐसा भी यहाँ पर दिखाई देता है कि earth is one, okay, but people are डिवाइडेड. उन्होंने देखा कि नेचर की सब एक्टिविटीज ही हैज कंसीडर्ड, ज्योग्राफिकल एरियाज उन्होंने देखा है, तब जाके वो ये कंक्लूड करते हैं कि नेचर कितनी अच्छी, लेकिन पीपल देयर सेल्फिश नेचर हैज डिवाइडेड द अर्थ. ओके, एंड इन दिस वे द पोएम एंड्स ओवर हियर. आई होप यू हैव अंडरस्टूड इट. थैंक यू.